Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the rights and obligations of a patentee. The first right is right to exploit patent. A patentee has the exclusive right to make, use, exercise, sell or distribute the patented article or substance in India, or to use or exercise the method or process if the patent is for a person. This right can be exercised either by the patentee himself or by his agent or licensees. Right to grant license. The patentee has the discretion to transfer rights or grant licenses or enter into some other arrangement for a consideration. A licensee or an assignment must be in writing and registered with the controller of patents. For it to be legitimate and valid, the document assigning a patent is not admitted as evidence of title of any person to a patent unless registered, and this is applicable to assignee, not to the assigner. Right to surrender. A patentee has the right to surrender his patent, but before accepting the offer of surrender, a notice of surrender is given to persons whose name is entered in the register as having an interest in the patent and their objections. Right to sue for infringement. The patentee has a right to institute proceedings for infringement of the patent in a district court having jurisdiction to try the suit. Now, what are the obligations of a patentee? Government use of patents. A patented invention must be used or even acquired by the government for its use only. It is to be understood that the government may also restrict or prohibit the usage of the patent under specific circumstances. In case of a patent in respect of any medicine or a drug, it may be imported by the government for its own use or for distribution in any dispensary, hospital, or any other medical facility. Compulsory licenses. If the patent is not worked satisfactorily to meet the reasonable requirements of the public at a reasonable price, the controller may grant compulsorily licenses to any applicant to work the patent. A compulsory license is a provision under the Indian Patent Act which grants power to the government to mandate a generic drug maker to manufacture inexpensive medicine in public interest even as a patent in the product is valid. Revocation of patent. A patent may be revoked in cases where there has been no work or unsatisfactory result to the demand of the public in respect of the patented invention. Invention for defense purposes. Such patents may be subject to certain secrecy provisions, that is, publication of the invention may be restricted or prohibited by the directions of the controller. Upon continuance of such order or prohibition of publication or communication of patented invention, the application is debarred for using it and the central government might use it on payment of royalties to the applicant.